Here is how we can set a silent timer on the iPhone. So we open up the clock app like this, and as we are in the timer section, we can at first choose the time, minutes, hours, seconds, and all of that. But if we want to make sure that the timer, once it ends, it is actually silent, we have to scroll a little bit below and choose what happens when the timer ends. And when you click on it like this, you can choose from the sound options, right? So you can pick from whatever option you want, but the one at the bottom entirely is called stop playing, right? And when you click on stop playing, it essentially means that it is a timer for consuming media. So a lot of people play music for, during some time, and you can set up a timer that after 10 minutes anything that was playing on the iPhone will stop. And when you set it this option, it essentially means that there isn't any loud timer sound, only that it just stops the process. So it is technically a silent timer. So now if I choose it to be like a 10-second one, you can see that after the time is up, it is not gonna really make any sound or any noise, right? So it just runs out, right? Stopped whatever was happening. Now I'm at the lock screen, and that's essentially it. It was a silent timer. So that's what you can select. Let me know if that is the thing that you are looking for. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.